how to buy Prometheum Prodigy right on MEXC. Very simple and very easy. Let's do this. The first thing I want you to do is click on the link below for you can register for your free account where you can buy Prometheum Prodigy on MEXC. The next thing I want you to do when you come here, if you do not have USDC or USDT, you can buy it right here on the platform. You see the buy crypto? You can click there, and from here you can buy USDT. You're gonna need that for swapping for PMPY. So you can actually buy this as different currency you can use. You can USD, or anything like that. You can buy it right from here, okay? The next thing, when you buy that, let's go to spot trade. We're gonna go to spot trade, okay? Spot trade is where you will actually make the execution of your purchase. So at the search bar, you see the search bar at the top there, you wanna type in PMPY, okay? PMPY. And then the trading partner is going to, or the trading pair is going to be USDT. From there, you already set up. So right at the bottom there, you can see that you can buy it and sell it. I like you, MEXC, because it gives you everything right in front of you. A really good trading platform. So if I want to buy this amount, if I want to buy that amount, like $10 worth, then I can buy $10 worth of PMPY, and they'll basically break it down how much I need as well. Very simple and very, very easy. Or if I can sell it, I can sell it right there as well. Right here it says I have 12 cents of my PMPY, so that means I can buy 12 cents worth, which is not very much PMPY. But after that, you'll just click on buy PMPY. From here, if I'm trying to sell that amount, I can sell it and it goes right into my account, okay? Right to my account, and you should be good to go. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, PMPY on MEXC. Let's buy it.